Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stop spam calls on iPhone iOS 26 and Plus. So actually it is very easy. First of all, you need to go to the settings, and here in the settings you need to scroll just to the bottom until you will find apps application, and you need to click on it. So here you need to find phone application. So simply you can just scroll down and find it like this by letter P, of course, or you can just simply search for this application, but I already find it, so you need to simply click on it, phone. And here in the phone application you need to scroll down just a little until you will find screen unknown callers. So now to set to never, so calls from unsaved numbers will ring on my phone, and if I set it to silence, it basically means that calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced and I will never hear them calling. And basically, moreover, you can always turn on unknown callers option right here, so missed call from and voicemail from unknown numbers will be also silenced and moved to unknown callers list. So basically that is it. It is how you can stop spam calls on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.